How to install Outlook Classic on Windows 11. So here I am in my Windows 11 desktop, and from here, if you want to install the classic Outlook application, what you can do is that you can just use the browser that you currently have and go to a search engine first. So from here, I am in Google, but you can use other search engines if you want. And then from here, what we need to search is Microsoft 365 installer. So we can see right here, Microsoft 365 installer. So I can just click on that, and then there should be a link right here from the official Microsoft website to download the Microsoft Office 365 for Windows and Mac. So just go ahead and open that. From here, here is the Microsoft 365 installer. So you can see Microsoft 365 right here. You can use Word, you can use Excel, you can use PowerPoint, and of course, you can use the Outlook application. So from here, just go ahead and click download for Windows. If you are using Mac, you can just click download for Mac. But since we are doing a video for Windows, we can just click download for Windows. From there, you can just see that it will now install the 365 installer right here. So just wait for it to finish. From there, just click on the exe file and then click yes right here. And then this application installer should now open in your Windows desktop. So we'll just wait for that to finish loading. So this may take a while, so just go ahead and wait for it. Now that it has finished loading, you can see right here, it just says, please stay online while Microsoft 365 and Office downloads. So just wait for this to finish, and then it should now be installing all of the Microsoft 365 applications. So if you're wondering what the 365 Microsoft applications are, so it's this. You have the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, and then all of the other applications also included. So you can also just search for it right here and then learn more details about Microsoft 365. And then keep in mind, if you are going to download Microsoft 365, it also has a subscription. So if it asks you for a subscription, you can just go ahead and subscribe to a subscription so that you can use all of the Microsoft 365 applications, including the classic version of Outlook. So from here, after everything is finished, you should now be able to see the classic version of Outlook. So in my case, it's already installed in my desktop. And then you can see the classic version of Outlook right here. So just go ahead and wait for the installer to finish. And then you should now be able to have your classic Outlook application. And then that is it. So I hope you learn how to do it. And thank you for watching.